Hello children, I am Gina and Saji. Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today I am here with a new topic, transportation. So children, before starting my topic, let me ask you few questions. Children, do you all know what is transportation? Yes, transportation means the movement of people or goods from one place to another. But children, do you all know how people used to travel in early times? No? Okay, to know about this, let us learn about history of transportation. Children, in the early days, people had no means of transport. So, whenever they had to go somewhere, they used to walk on feet. Even they used animals to carry their goods and themselves. Yes, then the most important invention happened, the invention of wheel. But do you all know the first wheel which was invented, it was for pottery. Yes, to make clay pots and vessels and not for traveling. But later on, human beings realized that they could use this wheel for something better. They started building carriages by fixing wheels on either side. These carriages were drawn by animals, so people could transport huge and heavy things over long distance. And then slowly many inventions took place, like invention of bicycle, scooter, tuk-tuk we call as auto rickshaw, car, truck, bus, etc. Children, one of the other major invention happened in 1712, something called the steam engine. The sources of the fuel were coal, fire and water. They used to boil water with the help of coal. When the water started boiling, this produced steam. Then they used the steam to move machines. The first major use of steam engine was developed in 1804 for trains. Railway tracks were constructed to run these trains from one place to another. Then, after few years, the steam engine was replaced by electric engines and fuel engines. As the years passed, the design kept getting better. Now we are using super fast train, metro rail, monorail, etc. Children, by that time, early people had also figured out how to travel on the water. They used to tie logs with hollow cavity in a sequence to travel along water routes. Over time, they managed to join two pieces of wood together and started building the boats based on the shape of fish so that they could wade on through water easily. Later on, they started attaching motor to run this boat. At the end of 18th century, the ships started sailing in water with the help of huge machines. Now we can transport huge and heavy luggages to far off places through water routes. Children, now human beings decided that land and water are not enough. So after a lots of efforts, the Wright brothers successfully invented the first aircraft in 1903, flying glider that used to take off with the help of air current and land after a few meters. It was also slowly improved to better versions, which carried more passengers and luggages across countries and continents. This was much faster than any other modes of transport, and the better part was that it covered thousands of kilometers in just few hours. And after so many inventions, children, we are now traveling in space. So children, I hope now you all have a better understanding about the history of transportation. In the next video, we will come to know about different modes of transportation. So, till we meet next time, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.